What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, man. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is so nice. I'm so excited. It's so nice outside, you guys. It's like literally 49 degrees. It's not like the hottest day ever, but for us, like, it's good. The sun is out. We're just gonna enjoy the day, man. We're just gonna go ahead and do a little POV drive. You guys seem to love the POV drives in my car, so that's what we're gonna do. And also, we're gonna talk about what are the monthly payments on my car, how much I paid at first, because at first, when I first got the car, I paid a good amount of money, you know, for this car. I was paying a lot, but you know, after some time, I did a couple of things that decreased it, and I'm gonna be giving you guys all of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the POV cam because I know you guys don't want to see my face. You guys want to see just the car, right? We're gonna do that. And so yeah, if you guys are new here, continue to keep showing love to the kid, continue to support me, and subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Subscribe and a like. That's it. It's free 99. You know, you don't gotta do anything crazy. But with that being said, man, let's throw on this POV cam and go from there. Bro, it's so nice when the sun is out like this. Like, what do you guys think, bro? I don't know if where you guys are at, you guys always have sun, but we don't get that much, especially nowadays. At least we're getting closer and closer to the spring and the summertime, so we're gonna have a lot of sunlight then for us to really just have fun and do all the mods that I want to do to the car. So hopefully we get all that stuff done this summer. I'm praying that that's what we get done because, hey, my car needs some mods, man. We need some mods. It's been way too long since the last time I got anything for this car. And I need to bring it back, man. I need to get something for it and go crazy. So yeah, but today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about, you know, how much I pay monthly on this car in terms of gas, insurance, and the car. So we're gonna talk about all of that so you guys kind of have an idea of, you know, what you're not exactly, if you get into a 440, you might not, you know, have the same exact payments as me, but so you have an idea of how much I pay every month for this car and all of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in sport because I know you guys like that display, and then we can go like that, you know. Yes, sir. I know this wastes so much more gas, but hey, for you guys, I do it all. So anyway, starting from the very beginning, when I first got this car, guys, I did not co-sign it. I did it everything under my name. I wanted to co-sign it with my mom at first, but my mom already had a car out and she didn't want to do another one, and I kind of understand, you know, all of that stuff. And I really wanted to start building like my own like little history, which helps you in the long run. I was young when I first got it, so you can't expect your payments to be that low, especially when you buy your first car. So if you guys are new here, let me go ahead and give you a little breakdown. So I have a 2018 BMW 440i. It is an X-Drive, and when I first purchased this car, guys, I paid after taxes, after all the fees, and after all of that, it came out to $31,000. I want to say $32,000. I did put a $7,000 down payment, but honestly, guys, I think I could have done it without the down payment. I didn't really know much about, you know, car stuff, so I just really wanted the car, and I just put a $7,000 down payment. But yeah, $32,000, that's how much the car cost me. And so when I first went in for the car loan, they were charging me $800, guys, just for the car. And then which I found like crazy, you know. But when I went to the dealer, they always trying to sell you a car anyway, so you know what I mean. So all they were telling me is like, oh, it's okay, like, you know, in a couple months you can just refinance the car and your payments are gonna go down. I know it's probably a lot right now, but if you think about it in the long run, you know, you're building your history. When you finish paying this car off, like, you're gonna pretty much be able to buy whatever other car with less, you know, lower interest and all of this stuff. But at the end of the day, I don't know if they was being for real. All I know is that they wanted to sell a car, so they're gonna, you know, do all the little tricks that they can possibly do to try to get you to buy the car. But hey, I fell for it, and I said, you know what, maybe you're right. I can, you know, start building my little car history and all of that. And this was my first big purchase. I had a Honda before, but that was like $6,000, $7,000, and that was cash, so there was no history there or anything like that. It wasn't financed or anything. I just bought it straight cash. But this car was my first big purchase, over $30,000, which, you know, might not be a lot for some cars, especially like how the car market is right now in terms of like if you look at a G80, G82, you're looking at over $100,000, which is insane. But yeah, for a car like this, $30,000, I mean, back then when I first got it, I thought it was a lot, but now looking at the car prices and stuff, it's still not that bad, you know what I mean? But yeah, $800 how much I was paying for the car. And in terms of insurance, when I was reaching out to a whole bunch of insurance companies and stuff like that, they were trying to charge me $600. Oh, y'all heard that though? That echo sound nice. $600, you guys, just for insurance. That's insane, bro. That's that New York thing. Like in New York, bro, like it's crazy, the insurance, bro. Especially for a first time, not a first time driver, but when you're below the age of 25 and you want to put an insurance under your name, they consider you like a newbie, I guess you could say, like somebody who is not responsible. That's just the best way to put it. And so your insurance is super high because I guess you're at more risk of getting into an accident, whatever. I think it's actually the opposite way. I think the older you are, I think the more likely you are to get into an accident, unless you're a crackhead little, you know, young driver and stuff like that. But I'm a very safe driver, you know. I just, you know, enjoy the car where I can, but I don't start going crazy all the time. But yeah, $800 for the car, $600 for the insurance, and what was the other payment? We'll talk about gas a little later, because honestly I don't pay too much in gas. But yeah, after, you know, a couple months passed by, I think it came out, I think it was like 6 months in. That's when I decided to just refinance the car, because my interest was at a very, that's another thing, your interest for your first big purchase, bro, is mad high, especially for a car. I don't know if it's just I got scammed that day, but my interest was like at 14%, bro. So I was, every time I was making payments, all of the money was pretty much going into the interest, bro. And so I was like, whatever, I'm gonna deal with it until I can refinance. And then I refinanced after 6 months, I want to say. Oh, why is my car acting crazy? It's a nice weather, but relax, buddy. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so after a couple months passed by, I decided to refinance with another bank, and so they pretty much paid my other loan, and then now I got a new loan with them, but with a super low interest compared to what I had before. So my interest right now on this car is 3% interest, like 3.4, something along those lines. Not very high though, and which I found perfect. I say, wait, that's better. At least I know that, you know, when I'm making payments to the car, a lot of it is going towards, you know, the car instead of just the interest. So yeah. And then also another thing with that, my monthly payments decreased from $800 to $500. So I'm currently went down a little bit more, so I'm currently paying like $480 a month for this car from $800, which is kind of crazy. I was paying $800, now I went down to $480, almost $500. I usually pay $500. I just put $500, just, I don't know, just because I just want to like a 500 number, I guess you could say. I didn't want to just do $480, so I just put $500 a month. So $500 a month for insurance. I mean, not insurance, $500 a month for the car. And then my insurance, I had to do it with my mom, so I connected it. I don't even know, to be honest, guys, I don't even know how they connected it, bro. But their car is under my mom's insurance, even though the loan is under my name. I don't know what they ended up doing. They did the little dealer thing, you know, they always got some trick up their sleeve. They did something, and so I was able to put the car under my mom's name, under my mom, for the insurance, and my insurance went down a lot. So I was paying $220 for insurance at first, when I was with my mom, and then after some time passed by, we moved to another place. I don't want to say where, because you know, you gotta be safe out here, but we moved to another spot, and we got a new insurance over there, and now today I pay $80 in insurance, guys. So keep, like, you know, paying for this car is not that crazy. I only gotta find $480, I guess you could say $400 and what's it called, $600 a month for this car, just because I pay a little bit more just to help my mom out, or whatnot. So $600 will pretty much take care of the car, bro, every month. So that's not that bad. Like, that's, you know, wherever you are, that's like a week of work. I don't know, you might make more money than that, but just 1 week you can pay this car. And then when it comes to the gas, hold on. When it comes to gas, I literally put, you know, for me to fill this car up is like $60. You know, but as you guys know, I do have another car. I don't daily this car. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. I only mainly drive this car when I'm making videos, or if I'm going somewhere nice like the gym, or I don't know if you guys consider the gym nice, but I like my little gym. The gym, nothing crazy. I don't really leave my house unless I'm doing a video. But yeah, $60 of insurance, I guess you could, I mean, not insurance, gas, and then you can multiply that by 4. That's $240 a month. If you want to fill up all the time. I usually used to be putting $20, bro, when I need it. I know that's not good for the car, but maybe it is. Doesn't matter. But yeah, that's what I do, man. So if you can find, honestly, $800 a month, you good, bro. Like, you can afford this car, bro. Like $800 a month, and you can afford a 440. Doesn't have to be Grand Coupe, of course. You can get the little 2-door, you know what I'm saying, the coupe version. I think if I get when I get my next car, it would be a coupe. I think I'm kind of done with the 4 doors, at least for right now, just because I don't ever have people in my car. It's always just me, so there's really no point for these back seats, you know what I mean? So it's just me and my girl, and that's it right now. And so yeah, I'll probably get a coupe next and go from there. But yeah, let me know actually down below do you guys think $800 a month is a lot for this car when you talk about gas, insurance, and the car? I don't think so at all. I know, like, the G80, you're looking at like almost $2,000 just for the car alone, plus insurance, plus gas, and all of that. And a lot of stuff like maintenance and stuff like that, guys, like, I do it myself. So I don't really, you know, take it anywhere for that. I just kind of do everything myself, and then we do that. And yeah, bro, that's just it. That's just what we do. So last thing I want to leave you guys with is get yourself a 440,000, man. Let's stop hyping the M340s up so much. They are nice, but like, come on, where the M440s at? Why nobody talk about us? I mean, I'm not an M440, but I am a 440 B58 gang, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Get yourself in a 440. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Keep liking, keep doing all that, keep showing love. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Go check out this other video that I did driving the car. You guys love me driving the car, so I'm gonna give you guys just that. And with that being said, guys, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.